Kamusta kayo dyan? Well, hopefully you guys are fine matapos ang sunod-sunod na pag-ulan. Siyempre, pag nag-uulan, yan na naman, matinding traffic, matinding pagbaha. At dahil sa pagbaha, tulad na lang nangyari sa Manila Bay, marami rin basura. Lahat na lang. Daming problema. Buti na lang, tulad ng good news na nangyari sa atin recently, congratulations, Haydelin Diaz. Lalong-lalo na dahil first, again, for so many decades, finally, nakapag-gold din tayo. So tingnan nyo, matindi yung pinagdadaanan ng Pilipinas and maybe isa ka na rin sa mga nawalan ng trabaho. Ano ngayon ang gagawin mo? Kahit may good news kaliwat kanan at sasabayan ka pa ng mga bad news at kung ano bang sinasabi, whether it's socio-economic problem or socio-political problems, wala kang magagawa, di ba? Yes, pero sa sarili mo dapat may magawa ka. And that's what we're talking about today. Because sa sarili mo, we start on something basic. So much basic that we talk about anything that matters to you. And financially, that's all about money.
Kung wala nga akong trabaho, paano ako magkakapera?
Huwag ka na magdahilan. Hanggat may cellphone ka, meaning may pambili ka. Hanggat kaya mo mag-TikTok, meron kang time, right? Kung naglalaro ka ng mga games, yung mga mahilig dyan sa Axie Infinity, ibig sabihin may budget. So sa normal na Pilipino, kung may gusto, may paraan. So when we talk about money, gaano man kaliit, this will give you ways and means to save because we're talking right here, right now, top 3 banks on your phone that you can log in and start saving. Hindi lang saving, at a higher interest rate. So huwag ka na magdahilan. Kuhunin mo na lang ang phone mo dahil magda-download ka na ng apps that matters to you when it comes to your digital banking needs. Okay? Let's save up. Happening right here, right now at HGM. Let's do it. Wow! Higher interest rate? On the phone? Pwede. Yes, pwede. Okay, let's start with number 3. On the third spot, you guys are familiar with GCash. Yeah, GCash. GCash, reputable name from the Ayala group of companies because obviously it is under Globe. Okay, kaya nga GCash eh. Inside GCash, they partnered with CIMB Bank. Okay, legitimate digital bank too. Okay, what's good about CIMB is there is no initial deposit required. Next, there's no maintaining balance. Okay na naman. And next one is, there is no needed maintaining balance just for you to earn interest. So, ibig sabihin, kahit piso, mag-earn ka ng interest, right? Here's the interesting part. What's the interest rate for you to save or for you to earn once you deposit in your GSave account? Inside GCash, there is a GSave account. Doon ka mag-create at doon ka magde-deposit. And whatever amount you put there on an annual basis or per annum will give you 2.6% interest rate annually. Not bad, right? 2.6? Maglagay ka ng piso, 100, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 to other physical bank or banks with a physical facility or physical offices. They don't usually offer higher than 1% or even 2%. GCash and CIMB partnering together, they're giving you a 2.6% interest rate per annum. So that is your GSave in partnership with CIMB Bank. So somehow related to that, meron tayong CIMB Bank. Ang difference lang is 0.1% because with CIMB, once you download that app, you get 2.5%. Okay, so pili ka na lang. You can use the GSave inside the GCash, which is 2.6% per annum interest rate, or download independently yung CIMB app. Punta tayo sa number 2. This is something interesting kasi nanggaling siya sa prominenteng bangko. Prominent, it's a known bank. It's a reputable, very established bank. Ano yon? Isa na doon si Rcbc. Alright? So, okay, di ba? Established na sila Rcbc, tapos nag-create pa sila ng something like this. They call it the Rcbc Diskartech. Yeah? Diskarte plus tech. Diskartech. Yeah. Rings a bell, right? Medyo maganda pakinggan. So, what happens with Diskartech? It is somehow very similar to your GCash through the GSave or CIMB. No maintaining balance, no interest earning balance, and there's no initial deposit. Pwede. So, any amount will do. But the interest rate that you can earn per annum once you make that deposit. Hulaan nyo. Pwede? Hulaan nyo na. O sige, sabihin na natin. A 3.25%. Wow! Ida-download mo rin siya through your iOS or Play Store, whether you're using iPhone, Apple, or Android. Available din siya. Rcbc, Diskartech. These are banks who have made huge milestone when it comes to digital banking. Yung nakakapagod na pagpila mo sa bangko, because, I think at one point, that's the benefit of the pandemic, magagawa mo na siya right to your phone. No contact, but with the use of intelligent technology managed by reputable banks, tulad ng Diskartech by Rcbc. Just a reminder to everyone, as a disclaimer, this is not even a sponsored video. Siyempre, unti-unti ko na siyang ginagamit at unti-unti na rin tayo nag-i-invest because as far as we know, kung may pera ka, whether 5,000 or 10,000, kung itatabi mo lang siya sa ATM mo na pwedeng kumita ng barya o maliit na interest rate, because either way, it's still a savings account. Yung traditional banking, sayang yung opportunity. And if you're new in this channel, hopefully you can subscribe because here, we don't only talk about positivity because these are exactly the practical ways that we can help you understand about not only your finances, but how you see things through, lalong-lalo na sa mga bagong technology, not only on gadgets, not only on travel, not only on things that you need about your career, your future, any endeavor that you feel getting into. But just like your finances, just like your career, or anything that will help you grow, at least sa sarili mo pa lang, may magagawa ka na. Now we move on. Kasi hindi lang isa ang feature niya. Your deposit. How you can benefit and increase your earning capability. The feature of this bank happens to be multiple that will exactly benefit consumers just like you and me. Alright, simulan natin. But when we talk about the first neobank, this is exactly the bank that doesn't have any physical bank that you go on a certain establishment sa mall o kung saan man part ng Philippines yan. To whatever city it may be, they don't have a physical bank. They happen to be based in Singapore. There's no initial deposit and there is no maintaining balance. Using that one feature, they call it stash. If you are a solo depositor using the stash feature, you get 4%. What makes it a lot better is if you are a group depositor using the stash group, you will get 4.5%. With time deposit as minimum as 6 months, you get 6%. Yung Tonik, they're offering you not only banking through their app, but definitely the time deposit as minimum as 6 months and getting 6% and using the stash feature. It's just a great way to do banking. Well, hopefully you find value and meaning in this channel through this episode because, it's not usual that we talk about banking. Madalas pinag-uusapan natin investments, gadget and all. But again, if you wanted to be informed on our next video and probably if you have questions or anything that you would like to chime in, maybe an opinion or recommendation, please comments down below and let me know what you think. This is Hey GM. I'll catch up soon and I'll see you on the next one. See ya. So always remember, money's money, but what you do to it is something else.